In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to tap on password and security. Then select face, hit agree, enter your screen lock and tap on next again. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Select Done. Manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!